Where's everything out?
Okay, guys, we got this. All right, just give us
Yeah,
some space.
I
understand.
Yeah.
Don't go too far. Okay, just give us some space.
Right? Can you tell them back up? I never.
21.
Okay.
I don't know. Mercedes got out of the car. I ain't do shit, bro. I'm tipsy, baby. I ain't do
So now, you know them?
Yeah, I know them. They buy coke. They ask me to coke, baby. I don't have a coke. I'm not even from here.
Bro, she got a social. So why is
Hey guys, don't touch nothing, okay?
Don't touch anything. Leave
Hey,
it in
put
the
it all
car.
back in there. Don't touch nothing, okay?
This is mine.
I understand, but it's evidence right now, okay? Just we're here, okay?
You have ID on this is your car?
My sister and car, they in the club. They in the club.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
Yeah, I got it on my phone.
So what do we have going on here?
Yeah, they asked for coke. I don't know by
So you have
coke.
their bag and stuff like that. That was in
But he just came and he said he got coke and trade him. I don't have nothing, baby.
Hey, you want to call us
I ain't
out at
gotta
least,
hide
or?
Yeah.
Hey, are you on info still, or?
No, man, no. Esta man entró al carro y le sacó toda la mujer de chulo.
Dile que ese carro también lo tenía abierto. Negro.
Yo,
Carro negro también lo
she
tenía
had the other car.
Pioneer Linen parking lot.
Listen to me. The other car next to it, she had it
That's what
open
I'm
too.
saying. They trying to buy coke.
The other car,
Trying to play crazy.
the other car.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We ain't got
Listen,
shit. We got a smoke weed, man. We been in that bitch sleep.
Oh, no. We don't need sleep. So the other car right there, the black car, she had it open too.
Just one more will be fine.
The other car next to it, the black car, she had it open too.
You watched her?
I saw her
That's what I'm
come
saying.
behind
How
her,
did you
bro.
watch this if you get out the club, bro? We been.
Bro, you have my.
How the bro, go to bro. You tripping? Y'all want coke, bro? We don't got coke. We don't sell coke, bro.
It's not
Hey, well, go on, bro.
You got my.
Okay. So until we figure out what's going on, you gotta stay right here.
Okay,
Now,
baby.
let me come talk to you over here.
Yeah, thank you. She had the car open.
So the
We're
car
missing-
door was open.
Yes, and she came out of this car. So we came from the boys.
Yeah.
And when we came out of the boys, she was coming out of this car. And then she drove me and she went over there. And that's when we ran out.
Is this whose car is this?
No, this is not ours.
Okay.
This is our car. And we're missing the social security.
You're missing your social card. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is inside your car. Was it
And-
unlocked?
Yes.
Yes.
Unlocked?
It's
Yes, it was
It was
locked.
locked or unlocked?
Yes, no, it was locked.
So how did they get in?
I don't
Was
know.
the door open?
Yes.
No. Yeah, when we came in, she was inside
In the car?
Yes.
Male and a female agreement. Detenido el producto metido del juego.
No, that's her wallet right there.
Male got his
Right there.
light charging. Female got his
That's her shit right there.
Okay.
The
Yo,
ring is my
yo,
back.
walk
This is my back.
Okay, okay.
He just said that is my
Right there,
passport,
right there.
my social, my license.
Look at my car. They're both detained for now. Yeah, you guys are both detained.
He said he came and he tried to buy some coke. He said 40 in coke. I said, baby, I don't know who coke. I promise. He came the very
Okay.
We in the sleep, baby. Nothing more. Nothing. I would have just told you. You feel me? I would have left.
No, I understand. Listen,
Yeah,
that's
I-
why we're gonna figure out what's
Okay.
going on. Okay.
the wrong person.
Yeah, you got the wrong person. We in here knocked out, baby.
We don't even know. This is our first time.
Yeah, this is our first time. We just chilling, baby.
No, I get it. And you've been upfront and honest the whole time.
Listen, I would have just told you that, baby. I'm not a play. They ask for coke. They say 40, 60 in coke. I don't have coke, baby. This is my first time here. I don't play. I will never play with you like that, baby. Hey, tell him to back up, bro. Tell him to back up.
Right here. That's her shit right there. Yo, walk the full
You just had that. He just had that in his hand. He just had that in his hand. He just had that in his hand. He said he was wallet.
They're both detained.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but
that means
that's
you
what
guys.
we-
Well,
we
that
just-
basically
no,
that
we
means
just
you guys
listen.
are in handcuffs. Right
Yeah,
now.
but he
That's
just had his wallet. He just had that in his hand before he pulled that.
Hey, you did it.
Bro, he just had that in his hand. He had that in his hand. Said it was his wallet, bro. Come on, bro. We ain't. Come on, bro. We ain't. That ain't crazy. He just had that in his hand.
We're not doing
All
this
right,
shit.
guys.
Man,
Hey,
get your
go
fuck out.
over here. Okay, we're gonna figure it out. Please stop talking. Okay.
Listen, baby. He just had that in his hand. He pulled it out. He said this is her wallet. He put it back in there. I won't play with you. I'm tipsy.
I got this. I
Yeah.
got this on. So.
Yeah, I wouldn't play like that. We're not gonna. You feel me? Come on, bro. We ain't that bitch sleep.
what they said we were doing.
I don't know. Shit, he said something.
They would have seen the
I have
camera.
no-
Listen, that's what
I
I'm
have no
saying.
idea.
He said something. I don't know. He had the wallet in there,
I
but
was asleep.
that's what I'm saying. We in that bitch sleep. I wouldn't even told him, bro. I'm slipping out the handcuffs. I wouldn't even told him, right, bro? Like, I'm being honest with him, bro. We ain't got nothing to hide. Come on, bro.
I ain't got nothing.
Yeah, I wouldn't hide. He just had that wallet in his hand, said something.
I got a wallet and probably my wallet.
Yeah, nah, man.
Oh.
So there you go.
I just got here. He'll know more about what's up. I'm just staying 10-12 right now. That must be him coming up here.
He just had the wallet in his hand, though. He put it back in there. I swear. I wouldn't even told him. I mean, I got weed on me, but you feel me?
I ain't even got that on me. I was just, it's my sister car.
She wasn't even here, so.
She wasn't here. I was with my sister.
Yeah, all these girls weren't even here, so. You see all them pulling up, yeah.
You in the car with somebody else's belongings.
I'm in the car.
You in the car with somebody else's belongings.
Oh, this my sister car.
Yeah, it's like, cause he just had, listen, baby, not lying. He just had the purse. He had the purse. He said he got it. He asked for a 6-year coke, baby. He asked for a 6-year powder. We don't know who got coke. We ain't from here. You think? I wouldn't lie to you. I mean, I don't know.
Well, why is the bag in the car?
He just had the bag in his hand. He said it was her bag. She had the bag in her hand. Her right there with the dress. She had the bag in her hand. She said, "This is my bag."
The wallet was inside the car. In her hands.
In my hand? You seen it in my hand?
Yes, sir. Okay. It's on body camera.
Okay. You said it's somebody's hand. I didn't know I had a
Officer, can I show you that? He was in the car waiting for her. He was in the car waiting for her. She got in the car. As soon as we came in, she was doing the whole thing, and she ran to his car. If he didn't know anything, he could have locked the car and leave. He knew what the fuck was going on.
My sister car.
He had the car. Stop trying to buy powder, nigga.
Put her in the back of my car.
He was not asleep. I saw him open his
Hey, tell Talisa.
Hey, detained still or just? Okay. Hey, we're gonna get you out of the rain here, okay?
Alright, listen, it's alright, sir. I ain't in there.
Yeah.
No, I do. I got weed on me in my pocket right here.
Yeah, that's fine. You ain't
Okay.
got- sorry. You want to kick that glove over here?